Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have some very exciting news for all of you guys who are into Gunbot or who are using Gunbot. There is a new version that is out, and this has some major changes. And already purchased Gunbot, this may very well make you want to purchase it. But anyways, let's get right into the video. So first off, one of the biggest changes is you don't have to edit your config file anymore, alright? You just have one executable that you have to open, which is gunthly/GUI. All you need to do, no more coding, no more nothing. It's very simple now. And if you guys don't already know, this Gunbot version 3.3.2, which was previously the most stable version of Gunbot and had the easiest to use GUI, I think the new version looks way better, has way more strategies, and just overall you guys need to upgrade if you haven't already. So anyways, once you download it, all you need to do is open up gunthly-GUI in the folder, and then you will go on your web browser and you will open up localhost and then 5000, just like I have up here, and you will be directed to the Gunbot GUI. So this is a major update on Gunbot. We have a new GUI. It is web-based, and it looks way better than anything we've had in the past. And also, you won't be needing to purchase the external GUI anymore, because in my opinion this GUI is pretty much almost the same, and if not way better. So for now I'm just going to be sticking with this, and this looks really amazing. So anyways, let me show you around it. So whenever you first start it up, you will be welcomed by this page. So pretty much this is another cool feature. If you were using any other previous version of Gunbot, so say version 4 or maybe an older version, you will be able to import your config, so you won't have to re-enter all of your settings. So this is really cool. All you need to do is select which settings you want to import. If you guys don't know, IMAP is for the TradingView extension, so you can just uncheck that if you don't have the TradingView extension. But you can import your API keys and pairs, and then once you have your API keys and pairs in here, you can go ahead and customize it. But let me show you how to add your API keys. If you don't have a previous version of the config, all you need to do is go over to settings up here, and here you have all of your settings laid out. So if you see here, we have the 4 exchanges that is currently supported by Gunbot. All you need to do is select your exchange, go ahead and type in your key and secret, hit save, and then it will automatically put it on your config. You don't need to touch the config anymore. It will automatically do it for you. And then of course, if you want to access some of the more advanced settings, for example, bot, IMAP listener, this is for the TradingView extension once again, important if you want to run multiple instances of Gunbot. But you can go ahead and play with that if you know what that is, but all you really need is the API keys. Next, you will go over to strategies. I really like this page. I think it looks a lot cleaner than before. So up here we have the 3 main strategies. These are the most basic ones. These are the original Gunbot strategies. You have Bollinger Band step gain and BB step gain, which is my personal favorite. But something that is sort of hidden are the new strategies, some of which include TSSL and BBRSI. So pretty much, if you guys don't know what TSSL is, it's pretty much trailing stop loss. Now, not only is this trailing stop loss, but it's also like trailing stop sell. So pretty much, as you can see here in this picture, where it would buy or sell on the bottom, and then this is where it would sell on the top. So pretty much it helps, to have a tight stop loss, but also a good sell range for when, the trend reverses. So as you can see here, down here it would buy because it hits the top of the TSL range. And then, once it sees the trend reversal right here, it will sell. So this is a cool new strategy you can play around with. Sadly, on the new version, there is no picture of it. As you can see up here, it doesn't have one of these fancy, editors, but you can use it down here if you want to be a little bit more experimental. I think it's a really cool setting that they added onto Gunbot. And one other one is BB RSI, which pretty much uses Bollinger Band to buy And then as far as I know, I think it uses a mix of RSI and Bollinger Band to sell, but that's really interesting because now we have 2 more strategies that's added into Gunbot, and I think, in future updates it's definitely going to be interesting to see how these are used. If you don't know what RSI is, you can go ahead and look that up on the internet. It's a pretty common strategy. But anyways, for now, you guys can just stick with these since they are the easiest to use. But I think once you become more advanced with Gunbot, it is definitely something you should look at and try out the other strategies. So next, after you have your strategy set and you have your API keys added, you will want to go to setups and you want to create a new setup. So pretty much what this is you can name it whatever you want. And then you can add your pairs right here. So obviously, for whatever exchange you like, for whatever setting here. As you can see, they have BB, RSI, and TSSL. But you also have all of your original settings here. And then you can add in your pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, just an example of some pairs. So as you can see here, it automatically puts in the strategy and the exchange. And then here, this is another really cool thing. You can see sort of a really nice chart on TradingView of what the bot pretty much sees, and just to get a really nice view of the strategy to see if it would work well for that pair. So right now I'm really liking Salt, obviously, because it is having some big news soon, and it is very volatile because it doesn't want to go lower than it is right now. But because of Bitcoin, it is sort of going up and down since Bitcoin is going up so much, if you guys haven't already seen that. So pretty much that's, just a new cool feature on the new GUI. And so pretty much once you have your pairs added and you have your API key and strategy set, so pretty much the final step for using Gunbot, once you have everything added, everything set up, maybe you're trying out some new settings, maybe you're trying a new strategy, all you will need to do is select your setup from here. So if you have multiple setups, maybe uptrending market, downtrending market, whatever you want, you can go ahead and select a setup. You can go ahead and preview it so you can make sure all your pairs are correct, all of your strategy settings are set to the right thing. Then you can go ahead and click Run Gunbot or Copy to Clipboard. So once you hit Run Gunbot, it just has a pretty basic, goes back to the regular console, so you can see all of the information from Gunbot, and then it will pretty much work. Now the reason why I got an error is because I put a fake API key, but for you it will just look like this, and the bot will go ahead and trade normally. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all of the new things in Gunbot 5.0.5.6. If you guys haven't already purchased Gunbot, you can go ahead and message me on Telegram. I am an official reseller of Gunbot. But anyways guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this new version of Gunbot, and good luck on you guys' trading. See ya.